Hey guys, welcome to another adventure of Shelby and Wallace. Shelby, where are we?
We are at the opening day of Splash Country here in Pigeon Forge.
Should be a lot of fun. You guys come along with us.
Our morning started off with beautiful, sunny blue skies for the opening day of Dollywood Splash Country.
This was a first-time trip for Shelby, Scatter, and King Boo. To say they were excited was an understatement.
Wallace and Potato Bandit have talked about how awesome the downbound float trip is, so we all couldn't wait to enjoy it. Sure wish Potato Bandit was here with us today.
The downbound float trip is a 1,500 foot long lazy river. It also has a waterfall that is fun to go under.
The lazy river was everything that Wallace and Potato Bandit hyped it up to be.
Big Bear Plunge was next up on the list, and the smiles and the laughter says it all. This was King Boo and Scatter's favorite water slide. Splash Country is home to River Rush, which is labeled Tennessee's first and only water coaster. What an amazing ride.
Scouter and King Boo loved playing at Bear Mountain Fire Tower, and we all enjoyed getting soaked by the 1,000-gallon bucket that sits atop the fire tower.
The Cascades is an 8,000 square foot lagoon that has something for the whole family to enjoy with all kinds of interactive features.
After looking around the Cascades, we enjoyed time at Mountain Waves, which is their 25,000 square foot wave pool.
Alright, Scatter, King Boo, and Shelby, what did you guys think of Splash Country?
It was fun! It was amazing.
It was a lot of fun.
We had a lot of fun here. We stayed about a half a day, then we're jumping over to Dollywood and having some more fun. Hey guys, how cool was that? We didn't realize Dolly was going to be here today. We come over from Splash Country and greeted with this surprise.
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Alright, so let's go into the park now and look at it. Just have fun, yeah, that's right.
Hopefully ride Big Bear Mountain.
King Boo says have fun. We were fortunate enough to be able to get back to Dollywood for their Flower and Food Festival. Dollywood's Flower and Food Festival started back in April and is going through June 11th.
park is very colorful with all of the flower displays right now.
So Shelby, what do you think about the Flower and Food Festival here at Dollywood?
Wow, the flowers are just incredible, what they've worked on and done. Look at the bear behind us.
It's really amazing, the topiaries that they've done and all the animals that they have, and they've really done a great job with this.
The park is really beautiful right now.
You guys should come out and check it out.
Absolutely.
Big Bear Mountain officially opened the same weekend as Splash Country. So after seeing Dolly exploring the Flower and Food Festival, we headed over to Wildwood Grove to ride the new roller coaster.
Like all of Dollywood's other roller coasters, the theming for this ride is incredible. No detail was left out, and it really makes us feel like we're ready to explore the wilderness in search of Big Bear.
Big Bear Mountain is Dollywood's longest coaster at 3,990 feet in length and goes up to 48 miles per hour. It's a launch coaster with 3 very fun launches. Riders must be 39 inches tall to ride, which makes it a great family coaster. We're finishing out the day here at Big Bear Mountain in Dollywood, and what an amazing time we've had.
It truly has been.
So we got to see Dolly in the parade this afternoon, which is unexpected.
Yeah, it was really cool.
It had fun. We started out the day over at Splash Country.
Yep.
Yeah.
And wow, what a lot of fun we've had.
We have. What y'all think about Big Bear Mountain?
It was really fun.
Really fun.
All right, guys, we're closing out this adventure, and until next time,
See ya.